Where there are challenges,
the sound of powerful machines echoes.
and there you'll find Planet Makine.
We deliver solutions built on quality, innovation, and above all, safety, to the mining, aggregate, and recycling industries.
We don't just build machines. We build productivity, sustainability, and trust.
From crushing and screening systems to hydraulic breaker booms, from advanced conveyor technologies to high-performance shredder and shear blades, we bring together strength and engineering for every operation in the field.
We partner with world-leading brands to offer reliable, field-proven technologies. And every product, every service, is backed by the experience of our expert team.
We don't just respond to today's needs, we engineer for the future.
Because we work to be the first name that comes to mind when support is needed. We are Planet Makine.
Powering your future.